Islands are beautiful, and that's why it's always at the top of the list of travelers when it comes to vacation destinations. Some of the most beautiful islands in the world are found in Africa. Africa is an enormous continent, and it offers countless destinations worth exploring. Adventurers, walkers, and even couples wishing to have a memorable holiday would probably never run out of options if they choose Africa. From amazing safaris in the east to pristine beaches all the way to the south, Africa has it all. However, Africa still has some amazing islands which are almost still in their natural form due to the little or no existence of humans. The reasons why some of these islands are uninhabited can either be political or geographical. Before we dive into this list, do well to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Number 1. Tromelin Island. The Tromelin Island is not your typical holiday island destination. In fact, the island does not have the presence of any anchorage or harbor, which makes access to the island a difficult process. The island can be counted as one of the islands in the Indian Ocean, and Mauritius presently claims ownership over it. The terrain on Tromelin Island is sandy, flat, low, and is likely volcanic. This area is also surrounded by coral reefs, volcanic rock, poor fauna and flora, which may be the reason why it is so uninhabited. In the year 1776, 8 stranded enslaved Malagasy people who had been on the island for 15 years were rescued by Jacques-Marie Boudin le Tromelin, which is the reason why the island is named after him. Apart from being uninhabited, the island is also closed to tourists, though it serves as a sea tortoise and seabird sanctuary. Meanwhile, the only facility on the island is an important meteorological station, which gathers data for forecasting cyclones and hurricanes. Funny how an island can be named after a man who met people there. Number 2. Aldabra Island. Located in Seychelles, Aldabra is the largest island in the area. It is situated in the Aldabra group of islands in the Indian Ocean that are part of the outer islands of the Seychelles. With a distance of 1,120 kilometers southwest of the capital, Victoria on Mahi Island. Due to its location and lack of accessibility, this island has remained untouched by humans. This place has a rich flora and fauna with about 100,000 tortoises living here, which is in itself a unique thing. These cute animals have such long lifespans that this island seems like a witness to history itself, and this is why the island is regularly visited by scientists. However, its geographical isolation, rough terrain, and scarcity of fresh water have deterred large human populations from settling. As a result, Aldabra is significantly less disturbed and so natural than other atolls worldwide. Today, Aldabra is one of the largest and most highly protected marine reserves in the region and has the second largest population of nesting green turtles in the Western Indian Ocean. Metaphorically, sometimes referred to as the black and white suited gentleman, Aldabra contains lush sea grass beds, diverse coral reefs, and undisturbed beaches, which provide an ideal habitat for these graceful long-lived reptiles. No one lives there except a small team of staff from the Seychelles Islands Foundation who manage and protect Aldabra. Number 3. Toten Island. Situated off the northern port city of Tanzania, the Toten Island stays true to its name, which was derived from a German word meaning dead bodies. The island contains ruins of 2 mosques and tombs aligned to the meaning of its name and making it a good touristic site despite the fact that it is scary. The island has not always been uninhabited because as of the year 1854, the island was still inhabited by people which later moved to what is present-day Tanga City in 1884. While its ruins are less accessible and less atmospheric than those at nearby Tongoni, the island is worth a look and a sight pleasing to the eye. Number 4. Zembra Island. Standing on the coast of the Gulf of Tunis, an onlooker can contemplate the magnificent scenery of the Zembra Island from a distance in the Mediterranean, just like the Zembreta Island in the northeastern Gulf of Tunis. The Zembra Island makes up a national park boasting ecological wealth of plants and birds, as well as breathtaking landscapes open to visitors who want to enjoy hiking and camping. In the year 1973, the Tunisian government banned fishing and hunting activities completely on the islands to protect its unique ecosystems. Also, the island has many endangered species of birds, mostly shearwater and many other plants that are to be protected by maintaining the virginity of the land. Number 5. Prince Edward Island. These are two small islands in the subantarctic Indian Ocean which are part of South Africa. Discovered in January 1772 by the French explorer Marion Dufresne, the island was given its present name by the British navigator James Cook. It was frequented by whaling ships and seal hunters who came to explore the island, which is volcanic in origin. It has a steep encampment on its northwest and southwest coast, rising up to 2,370 feet in the center of the island. The climate is cool and stormy, with dominant westerly winds which brings heavy rain and snow. The island is uninhabited except for occasional biological research teams. Number 6. Vundwe Islands. This is a small island in Tanzania, which is part of the Zanzibar archipelago. This island is relatively isolated and not a safe destination for tourists. Despite its unsafe nature, the waters surrounding the island are used as a site for commercial fishing. It is known for having a high coral reg forest with tall trees, which has in recent years started to be subjected to extensive clearing. The island has no inhabitants but for the endangered species of the red colobus monkey, which hold a dubious honor of being Africa's most threatened groups of primates. There you have it, explorers. Those were some of the most uninhabited islands in Africa. Did we miss out on any uninhabited islands in Africa? Also, which of these islands would you love to visit? Leave your comments below and let's continue the conversation from there.